Hey guys, I'm Maddie. If you want to see how I get this pink Barbie look, then keep on watching. Now first off, we're going to start with our primer. Now once our skin is all primed, what you want to do is now do your foundation. And make sure you wet your little egg. Once your little egg is wet, Rimmel London Match Perfect and Revlon Colour Stay. Just to get that perfect shade. Once everything is blended out, we get our concealer. I like to use Revlon Colour Stay. So now we're going to be setting our face. And once that's all set and done, we're going to do our eyebrows. But I like to do my eyebrows off camera. So now that we're done with our eyebrows, we're going to want to contour. I'm going to be using the Revlon Sculpt and Highlight Contour Kit. So putting it directly on our cheekbones. Like so, and now we're going to want to bronze. So I'm taking the New York Maybelline, looks like that kind of palette. Taking it directly where we just put it, forehead to a line, just to bronze up the face. Now moving on to eyes, I'm going to be taking the Juvia's Place Festival palette. This is going to be our translucent shade. Now getting the brush from before and just blending that out. Now we're going to do eyeliner. Now we're going to highlight. I'm going to take that shade because I think it's pretty. I love a good highlighter. Like, it just makes the look so much better. Taking the Jeffree Star Love Me Not lipsticks, minis. I'm going to be taking Watermelon Soda because I love that look. Like, I love the colour. And it smells really good. Oh my god, like it smells kind of like Hubba Bubba or I think they were like watermelon or strawberry Chupa Chups. Oh. Now we're going to set the face. I'm going to be taking the Master Fix by Maybelline. Seriously, I love this stuff. It is my ride or die. Try the face. And there you have it, the final look. Please make sure you hit that like button, also hit the subscribe button and turn on your little bell notification so you know when I post future videos. Bye!